Prepare to install. Looking forward to helping out. To install MacroSoft Hospital Manager, you need to download the MacroSoft Hospital Manager installation file. The download link is provided in the description. Simply click on the download link to download the installation file. Once you have downloaded the zip file, extract the contents of the zip file. To extract the installation files, right-click on the zip file and select the Extract All option. Select the path and click the Extract button. This will extract all the files contained in the zip file. Click on the folder. You will see a file named MacroSoft Hospital Manager. Double-click the MacroSoft Hospital Manager application file, and follow the on-screen instructions of the installation wizard. Installation is starting. Once this process is complete, it will restart your computer. Once it restarts, you will need an internet connection to authenticate. So make sure your internet connection is working properly. This involves two processes. First, you will need to register your email address and authenticate it. Secondly, you will need to verify that the user is an authorized user. This helps protect your data from unauthorized access. Click on the MacroSoft Hospital Manager icon. Hi there, this is MacroSoft Assist. If you want me to stay quiet, you can click on the little microphone icon. Okay, enough intro. Let's go on. Click on the Active button to active. MacroSoft Assist will guide you through this process. Follow the instructions of MacroSoft Assist. Type your email address in the email box and click on Register button. Type the OTP in the OTP box and click on Confirm button. Click on Create Administrator Account button. Give a name for your account and type the password. Type the OTP in the OTP box, then click on Create button. Now click on User Account button. Click on Create User Account button. Give a username and type the password. Type the administrator password in the administrator password box and select the account type. Click on Register Fingerprint icon to register fingerprint. After doing all, click on Create button to create the user account. Now click on Login button. Click on Login button. Select your user ID and type the password, then click on Login. Click on Login through fingerprint icon to start biometrics login system. Successfully login. Welcome to MacroSoft Lab. MacroSoft Hospital Manager is activating. Click on Request button to send user request. Request sent. Now click on Send OTP button to send OTP to your registered email address. Type the OTP in the OTP box and click on Accept Request button to accept the request. Request accepted. Looking forward to helping out.